Website at kwqc.com.
Well, many of you braved the cold tonight to enjoy your favorite high school basketball team. And while Friday nights are usually a time to focus on athletics, one area school district is celebrating its achievement not on the hardwood, but in the classroom. KWQC's Matt Davis is in our newsroom tonight to explain.
Well, Sharon, Rock Island school district leaders say this is really something worth celebrating. Their most recent ISAT scores are back, and the numbers were record-breaking, so much so that at first district leaders weren't even sure they were right.
Okay. Awesome job in the classroom. Thank you.
We saw significant increases across the board in our reading and math scores. So significant that we basically didn't share them with anybody because we were concerned they couldn't be right.
But Rock Island Superintendent Rick Loy found out this was no mistake. For the second straight year, students here not only broke achievement records, but in some cases shattered anything the district has ever come close to.
Typically, if you have a record year, you figure the next year there's going to be some correction. Well, again, in each category, 3rd, 5th, and 8th grade, each of the last 2 years, our reading scores are the highest they've ever been.
Loy says the same was true with math scores.
7 times 3 is 21.
So why the progress? Well, administrators say it began with a strategic education plan 7 years ago that teachers and students have been following ever since.
8 times 3 is 24.
They say, among other things, teachers have revamped how they teach reading. And each class assesses progress on a continual basis so that lessons focus more on areas where students might be weaker.
6 times 5 is 30.
Teachers say it's working.
That's very exciting, and to be able to share that with the students. And they also have data binders, so they see that they're growing. We know that they're growing because we use a quality process and we use data teams, so we're always evaluating where they are, and the students themselves chart their work, and so we see where they are and we take it to our team, and as a team of teachers, as 5-6 teachers and 3-4 teachers, everybody works together for that student achievement.
Teachers and administrators say it's a type of learning environment that didn't exist 10 or 15 years ago. They say the approach is helping make the progress in Rock Island the envy of school districts around the state.
When you have everybody believing in a certain process, there's when you start seeing those results.
And just to give you an example of some of the types of increases being seen, the group of 8th grade students meeting or exceeding the state standard in math jumped 20% over the past year. District leaders say that is almost unheard of. In the newsroom, Matt Davis, KWQC TV6 News.
And school leaders say they're hopeful the trend will continue. ISAT achievement tests for this school year are scheduled to be given next month.